Hey, it's me, Coach Rowe, and I'm back with another Herbalife product review. And today, the product we're going to review is the Herbalife Aloe, the Herbalife Aloe Concentrate. And this product, the Herbalife Aloe, is a great product. But before we do that, I just want to share some information with you. First, I'm excited that you're checking this out because obviously you had to put it in the search bar. So there's a reason why you're looking for the Herbalife Aloe. And I'm glad you decided to make your own decisions and do your own research and come up with your own answers instead of listening to other people and buying their opinions. Because here's what I know. A lot of people make their decisions based on other people's opinion. And sometimes it's people's opinion about a product. Sometimes it's about other people's opinion about a program we want to try. And I think this is the worst one. We limit our potential, or we limit what could be a life-changing decision on ourselves based on other people's opinion of us. For example, why are you trying that product? It's not going to work for you. You've tried things in the past. It's useless. You don't have the commitment. You can't be serious. And then we just say, yeah, you're right, and we give up. So we limit our potential based on other people's opinion of us. So I'm glad that you took it upon yourself to research it for you. So I just want to give you the basic stuff. Look, I'm just a real guy. I was a prison guard for 10 years. I worked in a prison, so I just like to tell people the truth because I'm serious about helping people, and I feel if you can make an educated decision, then you might find a product that's good. If this isn't it, fine. But I think if you have the right information, you might make a decision based on your research, not on somebody else's opinion. So let me tell you about this product, right? The Herbalife, this is going to soothe your stomach while supporting nutrition, absorption, and intestinal health with this product, the Herbal Aloe Concentrate. Now, this product is formulated with premium quality aloe vera, and it's a product that is great for replacement of soda or high sugar juices, and it's available in a variety of flavors. Now, what I do is I usually, a lot of people don't like drinking water, so I put a little bit in my water bottle, and I drink this all day long. And at the same time, I'm doing my body good, and I'm getting my water intake. Now, this product is gluten-free except for cranberry. We have cranberry, we have mango, we have mandarin, and we have original. And it comes in a couple different sizes. The only one that's not gluten-free is the cranberry. Now, let me tell you some key benefits because I think of everything, this is really where it's at, right? 0 calories, 0 sugar. It soothes the stomach, supports healthy digestion, relieves occasional indigestion, and it supports nutrient absorption and intestinal health. Now, that bottom line, I think, is a major thing because, see, a lot of times we think we're getting the proper nutrition. But through stress, smoke, secondhand smoke, alcohol, drugs, aging, junk food, all those things, our digestive tract gets damaged and it can't absorb the nutrition that we want to absorb and bring it to the cells of our body. But because Herbalife is called cellular nutrition and it helps bring nutrition to the cells of your body, you'll get so many great results. So this is what helps with that. And when you mix this with our shakes that you can watch one of those videos, our Herbal Concentrate tea, which is an awesome product. You can mix this with that. So now if you become a machine, right? You become a calorie burning machine. You're absorbing nutrition. So if you're into it for the weight loss, you're going to lose weight. It's going to feel great. But if you're just doing it for overall health, this is a great product. And I can share a couple stories with you. My dad had he suffered from acid reflux. Now, this doesn't cure anything. We're not doctors or anything, but what I want to tell you is he was able to help that. It gave him some relief by using the Herbalife Aloe because it helped with his digestive tract. Same thing with my wife. I mean, she suffered from it. She uses it, and it helps her too. So I believe that maybe it'll help you. But here's what I know. Overall, I've been using the Herbalife products for 25 years. I started working in a prison, and sometimes I get forced overtime, and I just didn't have the time to eat or anything. And my mom and dad told me about Herbalife, and I tried it. And look, I've been using it for 25 years. I use pretty much all their product. I'm 55 years old. I feel great. My mom and dad are 79 years old. They feel great. That my dad plays golf. They do yoga, Pilates. They volunteer for stuff. They're very sharp with their minds. They're into the technology and the social media stuff. Because when you take care of your body, it'll take care of itself. So obviously you're looking for something because there's a reason why you searched this today. There's a reason why you came upon my page. So here's what I want you to do. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you want more information about our product, there'll be a description. If you want to see all our product line, there'll be a website for that. If you want a free wellness profile, there'll be a link for that. Click on it. And if you'd like to try our 3-day product experience pack, you can try that. But here's what I'm going to tell you guys. Try something. Whatever you do, try something. Listen, I'm Coach Rowe, and I'm serious about helping people. I'm committed. Again, I want to thank you for taking the time to come on my page and see what my products are all about. And, you feel free to go on my thing, my feed. You'll see a lot of products. I'm going through every one of them for you guys to try to support you. And I'm hoping that someday, just someday, you make a choice to change your life. Because once you change your health, everything will change for you. I'm Coach Rowe. Make it the best day you've ever had. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.